Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to discover the incredible world of sharks. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sharks are amazing creatures that live in the ocean. They're known for their sharp teeth and strong bodies. But did you know there are many different kinds of sharks?
Look at the channel. It is around 1.2 million followers, and this is the kind of video they make. There's the talking character, a background, and some images. For most of their videos, they repeated the same thing. They are earning a lot from this channel. Every single month, they are earning 3k to 43k only from this channel. We can do something like this too, and even better. In today's video, I will show you step by step how we can create similar and high quality videos like them. Achieving those results, make sure to watch until the end so you won't miss any important steps. Just keep in mind that this is not a quick get to scam. It takes time to develop YouTube channels. However, if you work consistently, you will achieve the same results. Okay, let's get started. At first, we need our content, and for content, we are going to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very much powerful and free. Next, decide what your video is going to be about. Today, we are discussing about sea animals. Now ask ChatGPT to help us create a script for our video. Just wait a moment. Great. When the script is ready, simply copy and paste into a document. Now we need high quality voiceover. From voiceover, we are going to use 11 Labs. Just copy your content and paste in this text box. From these options, you can select the voiceover artist. Like I have selected this one. Now create generate.
Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to discover the incredible world of
Okay, our audio is ready. Now click on this download option. The audio is downloaded. You can use 2500 characters each time. So copy part by part and generate your audio. To generate your audio, now we need the talking character. For talking character, we are going to use Adobe Animation. Just search here and click on this link. Now create now. First character. From this list, select your character. I have selected this one. Now background. You can select any background from the list, but for my editing purpose I am going to use custom color, and that will be green. So click on this custom color, select green, that's it. And next size. From the drop down menu bar, you just first select YouTube and then landscape 16:9. Now we need to add our audio. So click on browse, go to download, and this is our file. Just open it. It will take a bit time. Just wait. So it's now ready. Just click on the download button and it has been downloaded. So our talking character is ready. Now we need the background. For background, we are visiting Canva. From Canva, click on create a design. Now YouTube thumbnail. As our content on sea animals, so we need the ocean background. So first click on elements. From this search option, search ocean, and now click on photos. I am going to use this image. So click on it and resize it. Now download it. After downloading the image, we need to give it a video vibe. So now we are going to convert this image to video. For it, we are going to visit Layer Pics. Just visit Layer Pics, click on this plus sign and open the image. Within a minute, our video is ready. This is the image that we downloaded from Canva. Now it is a video background for our video. So now just click on the share button and click on AP4. Now save. So now our video background is ready. Now visit Canva again. Search there YouTube video. Click on this option. Now go to upload and upload your file. This is our video. So just open it. So it has been uploaded. Let's check our audio length. Just look, our audio length is 21 seconds. So go to Canva and first make the video length 21 seconds. Just click on it and make it 21 seconds. Okay, done. Now click on the video and adjust it. Now go to elements, search just a fish, like sea fish. Click on graphics, like this one. Click on it and reshape it. Okay, now give it some animation. Just click on it, animate. Click on create an animation and just drag and send it the end. From this speed option you can make it slow. Now click on smooth and done. Now we need the shark. So right here shark. So from this list we can just select the shark. Like I am selecting this one. So click on it and now resize it. Bring it here. Now give it some animation. So click on animate. Click on create an animation. Now animate it. Okay, our animation is done. Just slow the speed. So just our character animate to the end of the video. Like check this one. This is still animating. Slow the speed again a bit. This one is a bit okay. Now click on smooth. Now done. Now click on the share button and download it. Download. So our video has been downloaded. Now we are going to use CapCut to edit our video. It's a free and easy to use software. Just click on import. This is the video just downloaded. This is the green screen video and this is the magic chat I have downloaded from YouTube Studio. Just open all of them. Just drag the video here. Now click on ratio and make it 60:9. Now drag the green screen video over this layer. Now click on it. Click on this cutout option. Click on chroma key. Now click on this color picker and click here. Now increase the strength. Okay, our green screen has been removed. Now place it here and check our video length is shorter than our audio length. So just click here and go to speed and make it a bit slower. Just adjust it. Now listen.
Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to discover the incredible world of sharks. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sharks are amazing creatures that...
Okay. Now add a music background. Just drag the music here. I'm going to use this music from here. So just split it, delete this portion and adjust it. Delete the rest, click on it and just delete it. Now decrease the volume level. Okay, listen.
We're diving deep into the ocean to discover the incredible world of sharks.
So, just following these steps, complete the full video. And now export it. Now click on export.
Today, we're diving deep
So
into the
our
ocean.
video is ready. Let's check the video.
Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to discover the incredible world of sharks. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sharks are amazing creatures that live in the ocean. They're known for their sharp teeth and strong bodies. But did you know there are many
So following these steps, you can easily make video like them. Just work consistently for next 6 months. You will get the output for sure.